What's up guys, welcome back, and yesterday I unlocked Big Monkey Towers, so we're gonna test it out. So is this actually big monkeys or small monkeys? They have to be big monkeys, right? Okay, we're gonna play in Cubism. Oh, let's do medium. Alright, let's do this. Okay, I am so excited to do this. Okay, now I'm just gonna do that. Oh my! No! How is this? What the heck? No, lock right there, bad boy. Bro, how? Are you good? Are you having something up, man? Are you good? Are you good, man? What the heck? So it actually works. Big monkeys! Okay, but
Benjamin is in the house.
I thought it was a monkey. Benjamin is not a tower. Benjamin is a hero, man. Bro, he's literally a hero. Dude, this thing looks... Dude, look how big that thing is. Look how big that is. Oh my doll hairs. Oh, bro. Wait, what? I could put it there? I'm gonna put a random tower down. Hello? Oh, what the? No. And you, right there. I'm closing my eyes. I don't know what that is, but I'm just gonna put it down. Did I put it down? No, hold on. Wait, I put down something. I put down a sniper. Dude, I put down a sniper. Bro, look how big that thing is, man. Big old sniper. It's been it.
Yeet.
Guys, tomorrow I'm gonna do a true vengeful sun god with big monkeys. I think this is gonna be impossible because the big monkeys takes out a lot of space, man. So today I'm gonna post this, and then later I'm gonna make another video, which is the race. So yeah, auto fire, woo! It's but look how giant this thing is. Why is there little spikes?
Let the beat drop.
Oh my. I'm gonna sew that. Let's see a Dartling gunner. Oh my. Let's see a mortar. Oh! Hey, we already saw a helicopter. What about... Oh my. Super monkey. Wow. That. Druid. Potato. Village. Oh my. Banana farmer. Alchemist.
Nice.
Ninja monkey. Oh my. Did we put every tower in the game? Not kidding, we didn't. There's a attack shooter. We need a boomerang. We do have a dark monkey. This is what it looks like when you have big monkeys and like every tower in the game. What am I doing?
Yeah, what up?
No, man. What am I doing? Oh yeah.
Next.
No, we're gonna keep the bananas rotting. Oh. What the heck? No. I don't want you locked. I want you locked right there. And that looks like every tower in the whole in the game. This is every tower in the game. We're missing one more thing. Spark Factory. So that's every tower in the whole entire game. And that is what it looks like with big monkeys. See, look. I can't tap on it. Oh, finish. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, just upgrade again. Air burst start. Not air burst starts. I'm so stupid.
Nice.
Oh, burning stuff. Burn. Meow. Meow.
Get out the way.
I can go ahead and do that. Dude, look at this. Okay, what if I just do it? What if I just... No, I want to do it then.
Get out.
Look at that thing.
Yo. Boom. Yo.
Benjamin increases bench. I need a bench, you stupid bank. I need a bench, you stupid bank. It's not enough, you stupid coconut. trees as a bank. Hey, yo, Benjamin do be stealing money from the bank.
Get out the way.
Benjamin do be stealing, man.
Get out
Out
the
for
way.
dollars. Look how small that is, man. Oh my. I'm just gonna try to go how far as I can go.
Party crasher. Let the beat drop.
Alright guys, if you guys have enjoyed, hit that like button. If you guys have enjoyed this video, hit that like button. And today, don't forget that I'm gonna post today again, which is I'm gonna be doing the race. That's gonna be at the afternoon. At 1:30 for my time, because it's 9 o'clock. It's 9:33 for me, and it might be 8 for you guys. Your time is like behind, so I might be ahead of you. So I'm gonna go live at my time at 1:30. And probably your guys' time at 12:30 and 1:30 for my time. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and I will see you in the afternoon at 1:30 and at 12:30 for no. I'm just gonna end this. I can't talk right now.